Hi students, do you want to make like this pom-pom? I will teach you today with less material. See, only you required wool, okay, then scissor and circles. This type of circles. I will show you how to cut it and make this type of pom-poms. Okay, so let's start. 2 centimeter radius circle, because we are not making very big pom pom, so 2 centimeter it's enough. Okay, okay, like this. Inside we'll make one small circle. Okay, same I will repeat later. First we'll cut it. Okay, then same circle we have to trace out. You will use little thick paper, any rough cardboard, it's okay. Okay, so cut two same size circles out of any thick cardboard. See, and inside small circles you have to cut, but while cutting inside circle I'll show you method how to cut. This is our center, draw it first, center circle. You can use circular also, will do. It should be proper center. Okay, now what to do? We will hold it together or separately, however is comfortable for you. You have to make it proper circle. Okay, now cut till inside circle, and now small inside circle you have to cut out. Now it will be easy for cutting. Okay, so cut inside one. Okay, same way we have to cut this also, this circle also. I hope you are getting. Okay, then you have to, okay, this you will join it. Okay, if you want you can cut more, then also okay, we'll keep more distance. Okay, now you have to cover these two with your wool. See, these circles you join together and then start covering it together. You can start from any side. That's why I told you to cut this. If you want more comfortable, you can cut more. Okay, so that you can. Okay, now slowly you have to cover this cardboard. Okay, very close you have to put your wool. You can take two color combination, that experiments even you can do. And Put maximum wool so that you will get thick pom pom. Okay, like this. Like this you will get thick. Okay, so overlap your wool. Maximum you have to use to cover your cardboard. Okay. Together slowly you have to go ahead, and with same method you have to cover your full cardboard. Sixth standard students, you have to give your submission till 20th September, and any assignments which we are completed from that selected you have to complete. Okay, message was given, so according to that you have to complete any assignments of your choice. Okay, so here I'll put not, in the end I will put not like this. Okay, you can put double knot. Now we will cut it in center. Try to cut in center. Your scissors should be proper sharp. See, hold with one hand and cut. After cutting, here you are getting gap. So any color thread or same color even you can use. Put it inside between two cardboard, bring it here up, okay, and tie, okay. Here you have to tie it. You can take help of your parents, little help you can take, but it is your activity, so you have to learn how to make. Okay, double knot you will put and then remove your these cardboards. From both the side you remove your cardboards, and again if you want you can make your this center thread more tight. You can tie it more tightly, okay. So when you will get pom pom, its thickness will be depend on the wool, how much you use, see, right. So now here whatever extra wool you can cut it to give. If I'll cut more, I'll get like this thick, okay. So however you want thickness you can cut it. I will make smaller, so I'll cut extra. वूल जितनी आप वूल कार्डबोर्ड के ऊपर कवर करोगे उतना थिक बॉल आपको मिलने वाला है. पॉम पॉम का बॉल उतना थिक मिलेगा. सो फर्स्ट टाइम आप कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा थिन लीजिए एंड स्लोली विथ प्रैक्टिस यू गेट. सो लाइक दिस यू विल गेट पॉम पॉम. सी, यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा वो ली थी तो मुझे इतना थिक मिला. सो इस तरीके से आपको चाहिए वैसे पॉम पॉम बना सकते हैं एंड डेकोरेशन के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ये रहे. आपको इतना थिक चाहिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा आपको कवर करना पड़ेगा, और इसको भी मैं अभी कट करके छोटा बनाऊंगी तो मुझे ऐसे ही मिलने वाला है. बट आई डोंट वांट वेरी स्मॉल. So like this different color you can make, and with this you can make your articles. For example, toran you can make hanging, or you can put it on the dupatta in the corner. So with different purpose you can use it.